around New Jersey, around the clock. This is News 12 New Jersey.
Finally, it's over. The last episode of New Jersey's soap opera, The McGreeveys, are now divorced. Good evening. Thanks for joining us. I'm Kurt Siegelin. The ugly courtroom saga, McGreevey versus McGreevey, it's finally over tonight. The judge made that divorce final. That's our top story this half hour. A Union County judge has granted former Governor Jim McGreevey a divorce from Dina Matos. The big news to come out of this decree: the nation's first openly gay governor will not have to pay any alimony to his ex-wife. McGreevey, now a seminary student who says he's too poor to pay the alimony. McGreevey will have to fork out $1,075 a month in child support for their daughter. His ex-wife had been asking for $2,500 a month alimony for 4 years and $1,750 a month child support. And the couple will also share custody of their 6-year-old daughter. This divorce ends a tumultuous 4-year marriage that crumbled publicly when McGreevey announced that he was gay and had a homosexual affair. And joining us to chat about the ruling is divorce lawyer and legal analyst Ed Weinstein. Ed, do you see former Governor McGreevey as the clear winner here?
Well, in light of the fact that he was imputed at an income level of $175,000 per year, $175,000, you could make an argument that, yes, he was victorious. Now, having said that, it was a short-term marriage, and it is my opinion, based on what I had witnessed myself through the trial and reading the judge's lengthy decision, I do not believe that Ms. Matos made a very good witness, and I believe that was fatal towards her alimony claim.
Well, the bottom line, she asked for $2,500 a month. Was that too much?
It is not unusual, certainly, when you're negotiating or taking a position in trial, that you look for the sky and hope for the moon, if you will. But having said that, under a normal circumstance, if you have, say, the husband making, again, $175,000 a year, and the wife is making, say, $80,000 a year, which she was making until very recently, typically a court would award 1 to 2 years of alimony, probably in the neighborhood of anywhere from $25,000 to $30,000 a year. So that's why Mr. McGreevey is waving the victory flag, if you will. Now, there are other aspects that were certainly equitable towards the wife in the case here, such as I see the father here has to pay for all extracurricular activities of the child. Typically, pursuant to the court rules and the appendix thereto, that's part of your child support award. So a long story short, in my opinion, I believe the judge concentrated more on the best interest of the child and therefore utilized this high imputed figure upon the former governor with respect to child support. But in light of the fact that, again, and throughout this 44-page decision, the court was very clear that the wife appeared to have a sense of entitlement. First Lady of New Jersey, that claim was dismissed summarily.
All right, very good. Ed Weinstein, some very good insights. Thank you very much for joining us. Divorce lawyer here in New Jersey.